I'm going to teach you how to use templates to jumpstart your project. Templates are a great way to move faster and maintain consistency, whether you're building a document, a project board, or a design. We'll walk through the exact flow, from finding the templates area to saving your customized version, so you leave with something ready to use. Start by opening the template section on the left sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all the navigation options, then select Templates. This central hub is where you'll find a curated library, often organized by purpose or format, making it easier to get started with a solid foundation instead of a blank page. Once you're in, browse or search for a template. Browsing is helpful if you want inspiration. You can scan categories and see what stands out. If you already know what you need, use the search bar. Type clear keywords that match your goal, like project plan, content calendar, or invoice, to narrow results quickly. Take a moment to read short descriptions. These usually highlight what the template is best for and what's included. When you find one that looks right, click the template you want to open its preview. This view typically shows a summary, example content, and sometimes a quick outline of sections or fields. Check that the structure aligns with your workflow. If it feels close but not perfect, remember that templates are starting points. You'll tailor it in the next steps. Next, click Use Template. This creates your own copy so you can edit without changing the original. The button might appear as Use, Select, or Choose Template, but the idea is the same. You're pulling the template into your workspace. Follow the setup steps presented on screen. These can include naming your new file or project, choosing a folder or location, selecting options like date formats or statuses, and filling in any required fields. Move through each prompt thoughtfully. Replace placeholders with real details, remove sections you don't need, and add specific context so the template fits your purpose. Clear naming helps you and your team find it later. Finally, click Save. Look for a Save or Done button, often near the top or bottom of the page. Wait for a confirmation or check for an updated timestamp to ensure your changes are captured. After saving, you can reopen it anytime to refine wording, adjust structure, or duplicate it for similar work. And that's it. By finding the right template, using it, following the built-in setup, and saving, you've created a polished starting point in a fraction of the time.